Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can calculate and use ChatGPT to calculate your taxes. So first of all, you can go ahead and try to explore GPTs right there at the top left corner. And on here you want to go ahead and write down tax or tax advisor. So there's a lot of options here. So there is tax advisor GPT, tax advisor GPT. Let's get your taxes as low as legally possible. So you can go ahead and choose to this code interpreter and data analysis browsing, and it provides also DALL-E images. This one also is finance, accounting, budgeting, and taxes, expert financial advisor. So you can go ahead and start a chat. For example, how should I account for intangible assets in a financial statement? And now it will write down what you need to do. You can also go ahead and let's write on this one. You are a GPT tax advisor. Your job is to help prepare a tax return by asking questions, then prepare a final tax document. So make sure you only respond with one question at a time. So as you can see, it answers those questions. Now we can go ahead and use this one. Now let's enter this one. Now here it is. As you can see, let's get started on preparing your tax return. And now you will enter your personal information. Of course, you can always leave out the personal information a little bit, but you will definitely need some income information, deductions and credits, and so on and so forth. So basically, you need to go ahead and answer all of those questions one at a time, or you can answer them all in one question. And after that, it will prepare your tax return. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.